Today we're going to show you how to use our functional ingredients to make a high protein and sugar reduced cereal bar. To make this, we're using Avante 2, a tapioca starch that replaces sugar, complex T16, our textured pea protein, complex 26, our powdered pea protein for fortification, oats, dried fruit, agave nectar and water. First, on a baking tray, you want to add the oats. Then add the complex 26. And finally, add on the complex T16. Spread the mix around the tray. Put in the oven for 15 minutes and toast until golden brown. Whilst they're cooking in the oven, we will start to make the Avante syrup. Firstly, add your water to the Avante 2, then add the agave nectar and whisk together. Avante 2 is a great ingredient because it binds the bar together without the use of additional sugar being needed. We're now going to put this on the heat for around 20 minutes until it is reduced down and has a golden syrup texture. Now you've got your toasted oat mix and Avante syrup ready, add them to the mixing bowl. Add in your dried fruit and mix together until binded. Grab a baking tray, pour the mix in and press down firmly to fill the tray evenly. You can line this with parchment paper if you wish. Leave this to set for around 3 hours at room temperature, then cut as required. We've decorated ours with a chocolate drizzle, but feel free to get as creative as you like. To learn more about our breakfast concepts, follow us on LinkedIn.